All right, everyone. So let's start the session. And as you know, as per the announcement, we are going to do homework check. I posted 2 days ago, and I posted 3 questions about that. First of all, you need to share your chart with the bullish and bearish structure mapping any time frame. And the next question was difference between inducement and CHoCH, at least for example, and single candle order block buy and sell module each. For example, almost 42 members submit their homework here. Okay, so first of all, I will choose randomly because every answer is not possible to check because it's take a lot of hours. So I'm going to check one by one as much as possible. So let's see. Okay, so this one is our first chart. As you can see, the everything is looks good. And market, this one is a create break of structure, taking out inducement. Okay, but this high transfer here to here because this one is a broken. Okay, and this one in a I don't know which time frame, not mentioned here. Okay, 1 hour time frame. So as per the 1 hour time frame, this structure was created here and then sweep the liquidity. So generally create this. It's a lower lows, lower high, break the structure, push downside, structure, no inducement, new break of structure was happen here. This is a not chalk. Okay, break of structure, push downside, create new lower lows, lower lows. Now it's perfect. Okay, now let's check another one. Okay, so in this case, someone mentioned with a bullish structure to marking the structure higher highs and high lows. So this was our okay inducement CHoCH, inducement, break the structure, taken out the inducement, right? And after taking out the inducement right here, create higher high, push downside, break the structure. And where is inducement in this line? This one, because this one is a small pullback here, create higher high, push downside, break the actual structure, confirm new lower low, taken out the inducement. So lower high, break this one. Okay, so in this case, what happened here? This was lower lows and lower high, push downside, break this one. Okay, this is a lower low confirm because inducement taken out. Okay, you mark but not mention clearly anything. Again taken out the inducement, confirm higher high, and after taking out the inducement, higher high confirm, again break the structure, taken out inducement, confirm higher high, higher low, break the structure, and higher high, push downside. And this is a CHoCH, and this one is a internal structure, this one, because this is a single leg move. Okay, so you mark this as a break of structure. All right, only one example. Let's choose another one. Okay, this is a break of structure. Okay, after break of structure we need inducement. So first of all you have to check here, this is a liquidity grab or break of structure. If candle close over it, so this become our valid break of structure. Market need inducement, which is grab here like this, create another break of structure, this one liquidity sweep. Next time just close over it, confirm higher high, higher low, again break of structure. Okay, this one higher high. Okay, just liquidity grab. In a next attempt, finally market or break above it. So these are few minor error. Otherwise everything is fine. Okay, so in this case also looks here higher high, higher low, inducement, push downside. Okay, break of structure, inducement. This one is also looks valid, right? Okay, so now switch on a next. In this case also mark a similar thing right here, break of structure, confirm higher high because market take a pullback, this one, push downside, confirm higher low because market break this high, and confirm this is our break of structure right here. After break of structure again we need inducement, so this confirm higher high, taken out inducement, push downside, and this become our higher low. Why? Because market close above it. and this one become our next break of structure. So this example is also 100% fine. Okay, this one also similar, lower lows and lower high, everything looks valid. Break of structure, confirm lower lows, inducement taken out. Okay, push downside, break of structure and CHoCH. Yes, this one is also looks valid. Okay, so in this case also looks a similar thing happen here, like break of structure, confirm higher high, higher low, break the structure, taken out inducement, higher high, CHoCH. Okay, inducement, confirm, okay, confirm lower lows, break of structure, taken out inducement, CHoCH, and this one is also just liquidity grab because market not close over it. So in this case, this move transfer here to here, right, and this become our CHoCH. Perfect. This one is already check. Let's check another one. Okay, in this case show you exactly what happening here. Actually this was our previous structure was here, and before it you can see this is a inducement, confirm higher high, taken out lower low, break the structure, again break of here, push downside, break this one, this is a CHoCH. But here what happened, market taken out inducement here, and then this become our CHoCH. Again go continue higher high, confirm higher high, push downside, break this one like this, again break of structure, push downside, taken out inducement. Right now there is no inducement taken out, confirm higher high. So this entire move something like this. Okay, so this move happen like this. Okay, now let's say move on next one. So difference between inducement and CHoCH. Okay, let's see, because structure is almost clear for everyone. Okay, this is a inducement and CHoCH example. Inducement only happen when market momentum is a bullish, okay, or bearish, and then we are willing to buy or sell after taking out the inducement. And next thing, when market taken out the inducement, then our higher high and lower low structure, main high low is a confirm. Okay, and CHoCH only happen when price tap on either higher time frame PY and lower time frame first high low is a broken, that's called CHoCH, not inducement. And next one, if market break the main higher low and close above it, that's called CHoCH. So this is our higher high and higher low because market taken out inducement, so this point become our inducement, not CHoCH. Okay, break this high, here is a pullback, then confirm higher high, push downside, and this one again what happened here. Actually if you mark this one, technically this is a not CHoCH here. Technically what happening here, I'm sorry, this one is a valid CHoCH because you mark based on structure, this become boss and push downside and CHoCH, right? Okay, and because main low is a broken here. And what happen here, if price tap here higher time frame PY, okay, in that case this is a higher time frame PY, and then market tap here and the first low is a broken, this one is a not inducement, this is a CHoCH, right? And this is lower time frame structure. Remember, only CHoCH happen when price tap on higher time frame PY and then price create first pullback is a broken in a lower time frame, that's called CHoCH. And next one, if market momentum is a bullish or bearish and break the main higher low and close above it or below it, that's called CHoCH. In a two scenario only happen a CHoCH. Okay, inducement can be in an internal formation or also we can use in a higher time frame structure to marking structure inducement only. Okay, now let's say this one is the next example, break of structure. Okay, and after break of structure generally we are willing to first of all marking the higher high like here. So where is inducement? Inducement is here because this is a pullback like this, push downside, taken out this inducement, again break the structure, where is inducement? This one, because this is a small pullback here and continue go higher. And where is CHoCH? Only CHoCH happen when market break the main high low and close of it below it. So that's called CHoCH. Perfect. What happened if price type here in a higher time frame PY and this is a lower time frame structure? So this inducement convert into CHoCH. Why? Because price type on your higher time frame PY, right? When price type on higher time frame PY in a lower time frame, first low or high is broken. That's called CHoCH. Simple. Okay. Okay. Yes, this one is a perfect. Look at this one. What happening here? In this case, as you can see, the previous high is a sweep here, and this is a higher time frame structure. I mean higher time frame PY. Now tap on your lower time frame. And this is a lower time frame structure, right? This is a higher time frame PY. Press tap here. First pullback is a broken. That's called CHoCH. Simple. There is a no inducement. You can see also when press type here. For example, this one is a technically also CHoCH, right? I'm not talking about the entry, I'm talking just about structure and inducement, right? So technically this is a first pullback here after mitigate this higher time frame PY and push downside. So this one is called CHoCH, but we are not selling here because there is a no inducement. That's why. Okay, in the next attempt, just sweep the liquidity, push downside, and this one is called CHoCH. In this case, when market grab the liquidity, we don't need to wait for inducement. Directly we can also sell here, right? Okay, now let's see. All right, CHoCH and inducement marking here. This is a higher time frame, higher high. First pullback is a taken out. This one is called inducement. Price mitigate your unmitigated shadow here and continue go higher. So here what happened here? This is the first high is broken. That's called CHoCH, not inducement, because this is a lower time frame. Again break the structure. This is an inducement. Why? Because this is confirm here higher high. This is a higher high, higher low, taken out inducement, mitigate unmitigated shadow here. This is called. This one is called CHoCH. So this is a perfect example for you to understand that what is CHoCH and inducement. Now let's see this one. Okay, in this case also looks similar thing, like higher high, taken out inducement, push downside, and you need to identify this was our previous structure, higher high, higher low, because this inducement taken out. Again, this one is a simple single leg move here, and if market create anything, this is an inside move. Price tap on extreme PY, first high is broken. That's called CHoCH. That's it. CHoCH only happen when price type on higher time frame PY and first internal high low is broken. That's called CHoCH. Simple. And second CHoCH only happen when market momentum is bullish in a higher time frame and break the main high or low and close or below it. That's called CHoCH. And this one called structure CHoCH. And lower time frame CHoCH we use generally for the entry time. Okay, this one is the next example here. Break the structure. First pullback is called our inducement right here. Confirm higher high, push downside, break this structure. First pullback is a break on taken out here, but technically this was here because this one is taken out by this like this here. So this become higher high. First pullback is taken out. This is called inducement and push downside. Sweep this one. I think that's why you mark this as a transfer. This is higher high. First low is broken here. This one is called CHoCH. Sorry, inducement. Push downside. Main low is broken. That's called CHoCH. And if price tap on higher time frame PY and this is a lower time frame structure, first low is broken. That's called CHoCH, not inducement. I hope this concept clear to you about a differentiate between CHoCH and inducement, because so many members are confused to identifying where is CHoCH and where is inducement. That's why this is important for you. Similar thing happen here. Explain very well. Higher high, higher low, break this high. Again, higher high, push downside. This one is a first pullback is called inducement. Inducement. When price tap on PY and then first pullback is broken, that's called CHoCH, right? And same thing happen here. Price tap here, first pullback is broken, that's called CHoCH. This is simple and valid. If I not cover your homework, simply you can match that what I am explaining here about inducement and CHoCH and structure mapping, everything, because for each question answer it's not possible to cover, as you know, because it's take a lot of time actually. So you can match that what you are doing wrong or right. Okay, you can match as per the current this homework. So this one is our structure in a 1 minute time frame, and you can use any time frame, right? It's not our time frame. Main thing is the structure happen here if you marking this is a higher time frame, for example. So in this case this is simple single leg move here, the full back something like this. Let me show you, like this, and continue go higher, push downside. So what is this? Inducement, right? So this one is an inducement, but technically where is inducement? This one. Why? Because before this move this was also impulsive, short term a pullback. So this one is an inducement. This point become our higher high. Why? Because market broke this one and push downside, and again if market break this one is a called break of structure, and after break of structure we need inducement, right? Again continue going higher high, something like this, again go higher high. So what is this? This one is a called inducement, not CHoCH, right? So this is not CHoCH here. This CHoCH only applicable if this price tap on any higher time frame PY. So this point become our CHoCH. Otherwise, as per the higher time frame, this is not CHoCH. This is an inducement, because main high or low here. Break this one. This is a called CHoCH as per the higher time frame. If there is no PY in that case. Okay, this one is also covered here. Okay, perfect. This one is the next example here. Lower lows happen here at this point. Why? Because market taken out inducement. Inducement means generally pullback. The first pullback happen here. This one is an inducement. Continue go higher high, break the structure. Here, where is pullback? This one. This one is called inducement. Push downside, taken out this. Same thing happen here. Okay, if market create here valid pullback, I'm not able to see exactly if there is a pullback, so this become our inducement, right? If no, this is a single leg, so this is an inducement, right? Push downside, break the structure, close fluid, first pullback as a break. This one is a called inducement. Again, the main high low is a broken, that's called CHoCH, right? And this one is a good job. Okay, this one is the next example here. Break of structure. Okay, inducement, CHoCH, main low here, inducement, lower lows, lower high, push downside, break the structure, and lower low. Yes sir, this is absolutely fine. Everything is looks valid here. Okay, perfect. And this was the next example about a CHoCH and inducement. Here also we can see same thing. Break the structure, push downside, first pullback is taken out, that's called inducement, right here. And again this is a higher high, higher low, first pullback is an inducement, higher high, higher low. Main low is a broken and close below it, that's called CHoCH. Main high is a broken, close over it, that's called CHoCH. Simple. Okay, after CHoCH in a higher time frame, first internal high or low is taken out, that's called inducement, right? Inducement only happen when price taken out first pullback after break of structure, that's called inducement, simply. All right, now let's open up first answer. Who gave this one? Okay, someone explained very well. Yes, perfect. Here higher time frame PY type here, first low is a broken, that's called CHoCH. Inducement, this one in a lower time frame also, and sell. Second scenario, the CHoCH, inducement, mitigate and sell. This one is an inducement taken out and buy, but main low is a broken, that's called CHoCH. Explained very well, great job. Now the next question asked by you. Okay, not learn yet, complete to understand. Okay, no worry. Let's open one by one. About single candle order block entry module. Okay, perfect. So this one is also a single candle order block. Single candle order block generally we use when price tap on a higher time frame PY or taken out inducement, sweep the main high or low. In that case we use single candle order block. In that case price must be cover this one. This is the actual candle which mitigate the higher time frame PY and push down side. So this candle we use as a single candle order block, which is absolutely fine. And the next one, when price tap here, like structure sweep also, and when price tap on higher time frame PY and then create this one is also single candle order block. The previous candle high is taken out like this in terms of the structure. Mitigate this one and push down side. Okay, now let's open a next one. This one is also similar. When price tap on PY and create single candle order block. I'm going to explain one more thing is here. This one is a PY type here, right here. This is a PY type here because inducement taken out. This candle type here, and then if candle next candle close below it, that's called CHoCH. Sorry, called single candle order block. Not close below it, and next time close below it, right here. So we can use also this candle as a single candle order block. Next candle mitigate this one, and we can sell here and put the stop loss just above it, right? Also push downside, grab the liquidity here. This candle grab the liquidity, right? So we can use this entire candle as a single candle order block. Next one, this candle mitigate here, so this one act like a single candle order block. If mitigate this one, so we can sell here also. Now let's open a next one. This one is same. Okay, so this one is the next answer by someone. Single candle order block. Okay, perfect. But you not mentioned any higher time frame POI or not mention any inducement. You just mark your order block. This is not. You can't say this is SOB, right? And this one is not a perfect example because you did not mention here any higher time frame POI or inducement or anything. That's why. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, so technically this one is a, in this case you mark this a single candle order block. Technically we use this entire candle, right, as a single candle order block. This one, right here also this is a single candle order block because the previous candle was a grab here, push downside. This one is also single candle order block, but market not mitigate. If mitigate, so this one is also become a valid. Generally single candle order block we use when market taken out inducement as a tap on your higher time frame PI. Also when price taken out the main high or low, liquidity sweep here. In that case we use single candle order block, right? For example, this is a main low here and price came back and sweep this one and sweep this one. So this is a previous candle high and previous candle low, candle close of it, and then third candle came back downside and mitigate this candle, and we can buy here and put the stop loss just below it, and then we can expect continue go higher. Okay, so this one is also mentioned here, single candle order block, previous high sweep here, this one push downside. I don't think how you mentioned this is not looks good right here. Okay, single candle order block generally used when price tap on POI higher time frame or either taken out the inducement, taken out the liquidity. That's why we use, otherwise you don't need to use anywhere. Okay, because single candle order block is a additional confirmation we use in a higher time frame to lower time frame also. Most of the time we use lower time frame during entry, right? So this is still a choppy price action, so there is not any valid single candle order block. Okay, this one is a perfect. This one looks more valid and more. Okay, perfect. This one is a inducement. After taking out the inducement, generally we are willing to sell here, mitigate, sweep, and this one is a called single candle order block. Push downside and then single candle order block. Okay, but this is not tap any higher time frame PY, but based on candlestick observation is a good, but this is not a valid entry for this style. Not looks good because I don't know how you mark this as a previous high and not taken out any liquidity. If tap any PY, so this can be a valid, otherwise no. But based on candlestick observation is a good. This one is not I can't say this one is a single candle order block. I think you not understand what I'm asking. So maybe you are not understand about question. So it's okay. Let's open next one. No sir, this is not a single candle order block which you mark here. Technically, you mark this as a refinement zone which was here. But I'm asking about single candle order block. Single candle order blocks generally use when price tap here and this candle mitigate here by this one. So this one is called single candle order block. Right. Here also the previous inducement taken out, push downside, this candle act like a single candle order block, tap here and the next candle cover below it. So this one is also called single candle order block. There are so many entries possible here. But single candle order blocks generally use when price tap on higher time frame PY. Right. Let's open the first example. Okay, perfect. This one looks more valid. Looks good. Price type here, first, okay, liquidity grab here, mitigate here, perfect. OB, sweep and sell, perfect. All right. Okay, so now this is fine. I hope I cover everything. Okay, now we are going to start quick question answer and then live trading soon I will start, sir. Can you show example of session continuation? Session continuation generally use when price break the previous session high or low and close our bid. In that case, we use inducement taken out and then we are buying inside. For single candle order block, must be next candle close or below it. Yes, sir. The next candle must be close or below it. In a session timing, generally we use my internet is a little bit. Sir, in a gold there is no big change. I cover in a previous weekly webinar. Yes, so this was I mentioned in a previous webinar. This is a CHoCH. Again, continue going higher high. We need inducement. And still there is no inducement taken out. Everything, and then we are planning to buy here because inducement sweep here. If anything create here in a lower time frame, big. Otherwise failed here. We are willing to sell here. Unmitigated. I'm going to show you exactly in a 5-minute time frame. In a 5-minute time frame, there is no CHoCH. Still the first pullback. This is the inducement grab here. First high is broken, that's continue go higher, taken out inducement, and then we can buy to the upside in an inducement. After taking out the inducement and everything looks bullish in a 5-minute time frame, but if market not willing to go higher, so we can sell. When we can sell, we can generally sell when price push downside, break this low, taking out pullback and sell at this point till extreme unmitigated PY. Can you, Mr. Khan, can you write another SMC book? What is problem current ebook? Prop fund का क्या करें? Prop fund, I have received so many messages about my Forex fund is going to shut down. So in this case, first of all, I will recommend you trade on your self account, and a prop firm and funding account is very challenging. Why? Because if you are trading on your funded account and the psychology is different compared to your own account. Why? Because on a funded account you need to complete your target or everything, so it's little bit typical, not for everyone. So I will suggest you trade on your own risk, also on your own account. Okay, because I have seen so many funded companies shut down in past few years. So if you are using any company, maybe not now, maybe in upcoming months, years, can be shut down. So this is a little bit risky. Why are you taking risk on another company? You have to take risk on your own account, which is, I think, very good, and you should trade on your own account. And it's not matter about account size. Maybe you can start from $500 and $1,000, 2,000, 5,000 and 10,000. It's up to you, right? Same time frame, PY tap present high or low, taken out, we can take as a CHoCH. Same time frame, if price taken out the main high or low or sweep the high or low, first high or low is broken internal, that's called CHoCH. What what are you using? Higher confirmation signal you are for buy and sell. So I love to trade sweep, main high low sweep, either inducement sweep, also like price tap there and create single candle order block. I love to buy and sell. Mostly I use single candle order block confirmation in a lower time frame for the buys and sell, which gives more additional confirmation before the enter and gives more extra confirmation, extra confidence, you can say. $500 risk management. Sorry, you can start from 1%. Okay, it's not a what percentage. You have to trade properly as per to following the risk. When you are able to manage everything step by step, then you can automatically increase your capital size. How do I avoid being early seller or buyer? So first of all, to trade early buying and selling, you have to be like a self discipline, you can say. And it's not about that some people are trying to buying and selling aggressively, and they are buying selling in a FOMO. Actually they are thinking that trade can be missed. Okay, so before buying or selling, placing any order, you have to think if everything fit as per your plan, then you should buy or sell, otherwise leave it. Okay, because you can see when you miss one trade, after a few minutes, hours, you can see next setup will be ready to buy and sell. So why are you thinking that this can be like miss, then there is no trade. Market gave you every day, every hour, every minute or trade opportunity for you, then why are you trading in a FOMO? Which broker you can use? Exynos and IC Market, Tickmill, Pepperstone. There are so many good broker which provide low spread. Structure sweep, आप डायरेक्टली बाय सेल कर, डायरेक्टली नहीं, व्हेन प्राइस टाइप ऑन your POI in a lower time frame, then I use mostly single candle order block as a additional confirmation before the buy and sell. Nifty 50 structure mapping. So structure mapping, you can watch YouTube recent video I uploaded on YouTube channel, so you can watch them. I mention everything in a step by step to marking the structure. Please ask one by one. I'm not able to read your questions. There are so many questions in a transfer the structure. Sir, transfer structure is very simple. When previous high or low sweep, in that case we use transfer the structure. See why you mention. Okay, you share a chart which looks good. Setup good होता है, लेकिन ऐसा लेकर हमारी डायरेक्शन चला, because some people sell in a early sellers in a FOMO, that's why. And you have to wait for it to take out inducement and tap on PUI and then wait for reaction in a single candle order block confirmation, then you can trade. Do you sell aggressively after CPU? Yes sir, after when price tap on PUI and create single candle order block, I immediately sell and put the stop loss above those order block or PUI. बरेली अभी नहीं मिल रहे हैं, जब भी मिलेंगे अनाउंस कर देंगे. Okay sir, so and I'm going to finish this session, and you can watch later. I cover so many homework question answer one by one, and if there is any question or anything missing, you can text me on Telegram. I will respond you as soon as possible, and I will upload this session on a Discord for you, so you can watch them. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and have a nice day, have a nice great weekend.